Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For you who are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Licia Arista and today's virtual tour episode is a little bit different. I will take you on a special tour to a place that is close to my heart, my hometown. The first icon of Solo City that we will visit is Pasar Gede. Pasar Gede is the largest traditional market here in Solo. The name Gede was given because this market has a large roof. Pasar Gede is a Dutch colonial heritage building, so the architecture is a blend of Japanese and Dutch styles. Pasar Gede was originally a small market at the crossroads of the governor's office, which has now become the Solo City Hall. Before entering Pasar Gede, I will take you to a ride by this vehicle. This is a pedicab, a traditional vehicle in Solo. What's interesting about this market is the variety of typical Solo market snacks that they sold. Here we are at the central gate of Pasar Gede, and now I'm gonna take you to the very famous Dawet food dermi. Let's go! They also sell many things such as fruits, meats, and even there's a small authentic restaurant here. So guys, this is actually the famous Dawet that I told you before. But actually the place isn't big enough, but I promise you it's gonna be worth it. So let's order some of the dawet. Bu, pesen satu ya, Bu? Oh yeah. For a bowl of dawet, it costs you 11,000 rupiah. You can choose to eat it here or to take it away. This iced dawet contains the green stuff, which is the dawet itself, sugar, coconut milk, sum-sum porridge, black and green sticky rice, and basil seeds. For the taste, no doubt, this is the best dawet I've ever tasted, and I will give this a 9 out of 10. After eating dawet, I'm gonna take you to the front side of Pasar Gede, and I will introduce you to one of the best food here. But first, for the disclaimer, this is a non-halal food. Can anyone guess? Let's go! Yes, babi pikul. For your information, there are several babi pikul sellers here. But for me, the old man's babi pikul is the best from all. Earlier, I tried to find him, the old man who usually sells the best babi pikul here at the side of the road. I used to be his customer, but unfortunately I couldn't find him today. So I'll take you to the other seller. Usually, in high season, tourists come here to buy portions, and we have to bear with the queue. A portion of babi pikul costs you 20,000 rupiah. And you can have a special request on what you want to have in it, like sancham, ear, blood, or you can just mix everything in. Next, I will bring you to one of the palaces in Solo. This palace is known for its white and blue iconic colors. In the past, the Surakarta Kasunanan Palace was the administrative center of the Solo city. The process of transferring the government to this location has a long history. Here, you can see the palace building from the outside. You can enter the palace on certain days where there are no palace events by paying for a ticket. Outside the palace, there are also photo spots that are aesthetically pleasing. You can take photos like this, or even this. Next, I will bring you to Nini Tawong, one of the legendary restaurants that sell various kinds of ice and food such as gudeg, lontong opor, and salad. This building behind me is the new restaurant building, and right next to it is the parking lot. Let's come in! Wow, honestly, there are so many choices of ice. There is Nini Tawong ice, ice gempol plated, and durian ice. But today I think I'm gonna go with avocado ice and babat gongso with rice. This restaurant is very cozy. The area is quite large, full of AC, and the most important one is clean. Wow, this is the avocado ice that I ordered before. Here, they use shaved ice with real avocado fruits and condensed milk. So let's just eat it and see how it tastes. And now, let's try nasi babat. So this is basically just the tripe, and I think they use many kinds of seasonings here, and it is served with white rice. This is so good. The tripe is rich in flavor that comes from herbs and spices. And surprisingly, this is soft enough to chew and not too rubbery.
After this, I'm gonna take you to a street where the building doors are covered with the murals. Can you guess where it is? Come follow me! This only takes you 15 minutes from Nini Tawong to arrive at this place. And here we are on Singosaran Street. Here, many shops are selling various things. There are coffee shops, clothes shops, and many more. But that's not what we're here for.
Walking through the city is fun but tiring. So now I'll take you to our last destination, where we can taste the traditional food of Solo, nasi liwet.
So here we are. As you can see, they sell nasi liwet in a very traditional way. They use huge baskets to keep the ingredients and banana leaves as a plate to serve the food, which is called pincuk. They also offer various kinds of foods besides nasi liwet, such as puli ketan and also cabuk rambak. And since this is the last place I'm going to show you, I'm excited to introduce you to the traditional foods of Solo. I'm gonna order those 3 menus for you.
The first one is nasi liwet. So this is rice boiled with coconut milk and some herbs. And this comes with some toppings like chicken, steamed egg, vegetable soup, and kumut. So this is the time for the moment of truth. Let's taste this. I'll give this a 7 out of 10 because I'm not a huge fan of coconut milk. Second is cabuk rambak. This dish is actually just sliced ketupat served with spicy sauce. Wow, it tastes spicy but rich in flavor from the sauce. We only have this in some cities here in Indonesia. This savory side dish gives balance to the taste of the sauce here. So for me, it is a 7 out of 10. And here's our last dish, puli ketan. You can see here that it has the green part and the white part. So their green part is called puli and the white part is called ketan. Both are made of sticky rice, but they were processed differently.
So this is the end of our virtual tour. It's a pleasure for me to show you legendary places, foods, or even photo spots here in my lovely hometown, Solo. I hope this video gives you a great virtual experience, and it would be great if one day you can visit Solo and have your own experience exploring this city like never before. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and give your comment on which city should I travel to next. I'm Licia, thank you, and see you in the upcoming video.